Palantir, that CIA-backed data mining company, is now sitting in the room where they decide who gets food in Gaza. And honestly, that's fucking terrifying for reasons most people aren't talking about. Here's what's actually happening. Palantir has a permanent desk at the US-led Civil Military Coordination Center in southern Israel. They're providing the AI backbone for tracking aid deliveries into Gaza. So the same company that helps the Israeli military pick bombing targets is now managing humanitarian aid distribution. What could go wrong? The technical setup is actually impressive in a dystopian way. They're using their artificial intelligence platform, the same one that processes classified intel to make life or death targeting decisions, to monitor aid convoys through drone surveillance. It's real-time tracking of every truck, every distribution point, every person getting aid. The data flows are probably insane. But here's the thing that's bugging me. Palantir just posted 70% revenue growth and their stock is up 81% this year. Their CEO literally said their product is used on occasion to kill people. And when protesters confronted him about AI killing Palestinians, he responded, mostly terrorists. This is the company we're trusting with humanitarian aid. Gaza has basically become a live testing ground for battle-tested AI that gets marketed globally afterward. The line between surveillance and aid delivery isn't just blurred, it's completely fucking gone. This sets a precedent that should terrify anyone who cares about keeping humanitarian work independent from military operations.